Welcome to the journey to discover Crete, the beautiful and enchanting island in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea. Today, we are going to take you through the most outstanding destinations that you cannot miss when you set foot in this wonderful Greek land. Crete is a place where wild and majestic beauty intersects. With emerald green beaches, ancient cities full of historical marks, and a rich cuisine. More than just a place to stay, Crete is also a paradise for souls who are passionate about exploring and experiencing. Are you ready to discover the wonders of Greece's largest island? Follow us to discover 7 amazing destinations you can't miss when you arrive in Crete. Starting the journey, let's explore Heraklion, the largest city and also the capital of Crete. It's the perfect place to start your adventure with a mix of history, culture, and modern life. We chose a scooter to explore every corner of the city, from the small streets to the quaint Venetian harbor. This port area is a must-see destination with impressive forts, ancient shipyards, and a plethora of interesting restaurants, bars, and shops. In addition, Heraklion also brings you traditional culinary experiences and a unique architectural space that harmoniously combines Arabia and Venice, creating an irresistible attraction. Leaving the city, we arrive at Elafonisi Beach, a jewel located on the west coast of Crete, about 72 kilometers southwest of Chania. This beach is famous for its crystal blue waters and smooth sand that have attracted visitors over the centuries. Although the typical pink sand color is not clearly visible on this trip, it does not reduce the charm of Elafonisi. The calm sea, clear blue water, and peaceful space are all you need to relax and enjoy a relaxing day under the golden sun. Not only famous for its stunning landscapes, Crete is also the land of fine wines. Just a short walk away from Heraklion, you will come across hundreds of wineries, large and small, nestled among vast vineyards. With more than 80% of the island's wine production produced here, it's no surprise that Heraklion has become a favorite destination for wine lovers. We tried a wine tasting in the nearby town of Daphnes, and the experience was amazing, with enchanting scenery and delicious wines at extremely affordable prices. Matala, a popular small town located 68 kilometers southwest of Heraklion, is one of the must-see destinations when visiting Crete. Not only does it have a beautiful beach, but it also has ancient limestone caves that are said to have been inhabited since Roman and Christian times. These caves have rooms, stairs, and windows, making you feel like you're stepping into a mysterious historical space. To visit the cave, you only need to pay a small fee, but the feeling of standing among the magnificent cliffs is truly an invaluable experience. If you're a history buff, Gasas Palace is definitely a must-visit. Considered the oldest city in Europe, Knossos is located just south of Heraklion and is the center of the Minoan civilization. With its unique architecture and many associated myths, such as the Minotaur Labyrinth and the legends of Daedalus and Icarus, this place will take you back to the long past. Taking a guided tour will help you gain a deeper understanding of the history and importance of this ancient city. Chania is one of the most beautiful and attractive cities of Crete. The city is located on the northwest coast of the island and features narrow streets, riverside restaurants, and a Venetian harbor from the 14th century. Stepping into the old town, you will feel like you are lost in another world, where traditional Venetian, Turkish, and Greek architecture blend wonderfully. We spent 3 days exploring Chania, and the feeling was unforgettable. At the end of the journey, we take you to Bos Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in Crete. Located in the remote western region of Chania, Bos is famous for its emerald green lagoons and stunning views from above. You can get here by ferry or by yourself, each offering different exciting experiences. We chose to travel by car, and we're completely satisfied to be able to freely explore at our own pace. Bos is not only an ideal getaway, but also a popular photo spot, attracting thousands of visitors every year. Crete is a wonderful island with its unspoiled beauty and rich cultural heritage, offering unforgettable travel experiences. I hope you will have interesting and memorable journeys to explore this island. If you find this video good and meaningful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Please leave your questions or comments in the comments section. Have a great adventure, and see you in the next video.